Welcome back, guys. So we're back. The car's still there. Still looks like shit. It is what it is. It's raining, but a little bit of sunshine comes out every once in a while. The good news today is we got our sheet. The metal we needed is finally here. It's a 4x8, 12 gauge, ready to go. We're gonna cut it to where we need it and start trying to mount stuff in. In this video today, we're going to show you guys a time lapse of us grinding and smoothing out all the underneath there. We're going to grind down all the metal. What we'll do start now is we'll get this sheet of metal out of the way so we can lay underneath the car, start getting the grinding done and grind off everything. We will start a time lapse. And yeah, let's just start doing this. Move the sheet out for now. I think some asshole over there is coughing. I don't know. All right, you guys saw me get this thing ready. He's ready. I got safety glasses on. I'm gonna lay down on that ground and grind this damn thing away. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I'm under this car. This is what we're looking at. I'm trying to figure out if I should cut up the plate, go from here to here, all the way up to here, cut this out, and just weld it to that and all the way over. Or should I get a plate going from here all the way over to here and weld it down and then double plate it inside as well? Either way, it's getting double plated. Not sure. Look at this fucking jacking point though. It's mint. The best one yet. Yeah, she'll hold. We're good. We're gonna pry that off and see if we should just cut through that and make a square, nice rectangular piece. You know you're going into the, you just split the metal, right? The floor. Now you just broke it. Can't get good fucking labor anywhere. This is what he's taking off, but he's just deciding to break stuff. Anyways, look at that. Fucking mint. It's all getting cut out. what we're doing here is we are warming up the metal so we can put a nice bend to it. Last time I bent it without realizing, I ended up snapping a piece of metal. Like a twig. Yeah, no, we're just warming it up. We're gonna put the brake in, we're gonna cut it up. These are the top layers in the car that we're putting in, just measuring, getting them shaped up to go in. Yeah, pretty much, just, this is the plan. Burn some metal, have some fun. All right, guys, so today we have installed the rest of this rear floor. We have made videos of it. Unfortunately, the GoPro ended up deleting footage, or the footage is missing, or MIA, who the fuck knows what happened. But yes, we lost footage. I can show you what we've done, so if you guys follow me. I'll grab this light from you. So, we added this floor, added a little bit, just tacked it in, and I tried attempting a little bit more of the welding in the middle there. And then I got my grinder, and I grinded it. You know, the grinder makes me the welder I'm not. But yeah, so there is more to this footage. Again, we lost it. It disappeared. This camera hates me, but it's okay. We will do a lot more throughout. The next video I will post is going to be on a Wednesday this coming week. I'm going to start posting videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. That way there's 2 videos a week, and maybe we do better work on this. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also in the comments you can let me know if you would do something different, or if you guys can help me out. Give me advice. I'm open to advice. Thank you.